In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to mirror a body in Autodesk Fusion 360 using the most efficient workflow available. Mirroring is one of the most powerful tools in any shady software because it allows you to create perfectly symmetrical designs while only doing half the work. Whether you are designing industrial parts, artistic models, or functional mechanical components, understanding how to properly use the mirror command will save you hours of manual sketching and extrusion. Before we jump into the software, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more comprehensive Fusion 360 guides. Let's get started. First, start by opening your model in Autodesk Fusion 360. Make sure you are in the design workspace, as this is where all our solid modeling tools are located. Once your project is loaded and you have the body you wish to duplicate visible on your canvas, navigate to the top toolbar. Go to the Create menu and scroll down until you see the Mirror option. Click it to open the Mirror dialog box. This dialog box is where we define how the symmetry will behave. The most important step here, which many beginners often overlook, is setting the selection type. In the dialog box, look for the drop-down labeled Pattern Type and change it specifically to bodies. By default, it might be set to faces or features, but since we want to mirror an entire solid object, selecting bodies ensures everything is included in the operation. Now that the type is set, click on the Object Selection button. You can now click directly on the body in your canvas or select it from the browser tree on the left side of the screen. Once selected, it should highlight in blue. Next, we need to define the axis of symmetry. Click on the button labeled Mirror Plane. Now you need to select a plane or a flat face that will act as the reflection point. You can choose one of the origin planes like the XY, YZ, or XZ plane, or you can even select a flat face on the existing model itself if you want the new body to be perfectly flush against the original. As you hover over different planes, Fusion 360 will give you a faint ghosted preview of where the new mirrored body will land. This is a great time to double check that your orientation is correct. If the preview looks exactly how you want it, go ahead and click OK. Fusion 360 will instantly process the command and create the mirrored body on the opposite side of your chosen plane. You now have two distinct bodies that are perfectly symmetrical. You can keep them as separate bodies or use the combine tool later if you need them to be a single solid part. Using this method ensures absolute precision in your designs and maintains the parametric history of your model. If you ever change the original body, the mirror operation will update accordingly in your timeline, and that is it. You have successfully mastered the mirror command in Fusion 360. If this video helped you streamline your design process, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.